Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get ruler in Figma full guide. Open your Figma file and press Shift-R to toggle rulers immediately, or go to View Rulers. Click and drag from the ruler to create guides, and change units in the preferences if you prefer inches or percent. Use rulers with smart guides for precise alignment and consistent spacing in any layout. Create guides by dragging from horizontal or vertical rulers onto the canvas, and snap them to edges or centers of objects. Hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows to nudge guides without snapping, and lock them when your layout is fixed. Combine rulers and grids to maintain consistent spacing and rhythm across components, and use multiple guides to define margins, columns, and key alignment lines for responsive frames. Adjust ruler units in Figma preferences to pixels, inches, or percent depending on your project needs, and set snapping to whole pixels for crisp designs. Zoom to 100% for true device measurements, and use arrow keys for single pixel nudges or Shift plus arrow for larger moves. Combine numeric X and Y input with rulers to place elements exactly where you want them for production-ready layouts and developer handoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.